given. How long does Maghrib time last generally? Till the next adhan of the Isha. Till the next adhan of the Isha. That is general understanding, because Rasulullah ﷺ has, explained us, given us the reason for the adhan is to tell you that the salah time of the previous salah is ended and the salah of the new salah is started. The time for the new salah is started and the time for the previous salah is ended. So this is the adhan that will define that. So that's general understanding. But normally, if you are not aware of the adhan and you don't have those kind of facilities like television or apps or something like that, and you can't even hear the adhan as you hear in Dubai from all the masajid, then the best thing is that normally people, they say after 1 hour, 45 minutes or 1.5 hours, the other namaz starts. So I would always say that general, there are ahadith where Rasulullah did say at the time of, during his time, where the people didn't have even the clocks, the people didn't have speakers, people didn't have timetables distributed, or they didn't even have internet to check, what are the timetables in particular masjid. So during the time of Rasulullah said that when at the time of Maghrib, when the sun is at the bridge of the setting down and you see the reddish line, this is the time for the Maghrib when the sun goes down. And when the sun is completely disappeared and you see the stars twinkling in the sky, that is the time of Isha. So you don't have to be worried about that. And there are different descriptions given for Zohar, how Zohar can be understood, that this is the time for Zohar, this is time for Asr, this is time for Maghrib. So I'm just telling you for the Maghrib, but I can even explain to you, if you are interested next time, then I can explain to you about Zohar as well, Zohar and Asr and Fajr too.